Jamaica to me is home. When I step off that plane, I know I'm home. That's what Jamaica means to me. I'm from Hanover, from a tiny little village called Patty Hill. Jean Pinter Breeze and I come from the same village, and we're second or third cousins or something. And of course we didn't discover this till we came to England, but Patty Hill, tiny little place full of geniuses.
Festival Jamaica.
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.